guys, welcome back to another video from me and my pets TV. Guys, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell to be notified each time a video is dropped. We thank you for your love and support. We really appreciate it. Goodbye. Let's get into the video.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, on today's video we'll be looking on the Cockatiel babies again. Can you know, girl excited, girl just obsessed with them. But here I'm gonna look on them today again and make a show you we have a special guest today. Can you tell who that is? Yes, that is Daddy. So that's the male cockatiel that is now in the nesting box with the babies. Somebody tell a long time now, so them cockatiel father, yeah, them are the best. Them not left everything for mommy, them just jump in, help out when they can. So you see, him in there. So because the light is shining on them, he's not doing what he should be doing, which is feeding them. So that's the main purpose of him being in the box right now. So he's in the box because he was feeding them, and you know, me with my enough self, I'm gonna open my box for see what I go on, and so I decided to not feed them. See there? I'm gonna try hide and do it, guys. Try to hide them. Man, very protective. That's all of us there. But yes, guys, so yeah, the male cockatiel is in the box with his young one. As you can see, there's another one in there. Do you think that's mommy? Yes, that is mommy that is in there with him. So both parents are currently in the nesting box. So I don't understand why the nesting box have to be so big now. So you can hold the two of them and any amount of picking them get down to it. Imagine if the nesting box is small and the two of them want to go in there go do something. Then be able to get trampled all of that. So reasons like this is why their nesting box is so big to accommodate this little family get together. Yeah. So both are in the nesting box. As I tell you, it's feeding time. But hold on there, and a mommy she that look like one baby. I try them in the guys. You see that? So one is at the top and one I'm out with daddy. So I tell them, yeah. I look like one and bigger sibling, and I leave them bigger sibling come look for them. Let's see, and daddy them are follow. Can you say, despite them being of age, and they are past this 8 weeks now, they are past 8 weeks now, and despite that, daddy still feeds them. You didn't know that? Just the fact that they're still in the same pen with them, daddy still feeds them. So yeah, good man this. Papa, I'm lift my hats off to you. Yeah. Okay, so I'm up in the camera now. So that is a baby. And that's the baby that I always say that they feed him. So as I tell you, it's meal time and I'm feed them. So probably that baby they come to feed him. But as you see, him curious and I'm look for him father. I don't know if I'm a man or woman, just like use the masculine version of the terms, okay? So from you to the eye movement there, that is feeding the babies. You see? I pick him, not I forgot to take him out of pen. I forgot to take him outside pen. Out of father, I pick the young boy. I have to come out. I got graduating. I'm gonna can graduate today. I'm gonna take this bird out of the pen. Look at what he's doing to the baby. Look at that. Yes, guys. So when I take me over here or something, you think I could have played the big one? I played the baby. Nothing. So like him, I try grabbing the wing this. So. But I don't know. I will get him out of the back. That's all I mean. I get him out of the pen. Because I've allowed them, you know, normally at 8 weeks, that's when we would move them from the parents. So by 8 weeks, they're normally feeding on their own. So this why, yes, they still ask mommy and daddy to feed them. They are able to eat on their own. So we would normally move them at 8 weeks. However, this time we said, let's give them some more time with their parents before we move them. But if it is that he's really disturbing these babies, then no, Sam have to get moved because we can't make, because he doesn't know better, because of jealousy or whatever, sibling rivalry. For these terms being used. But anyway, guys, remember to like, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell to be notified each time I finish